Hey guys, what's up? It's LJ here, and this is another Facebook ads tutorial where in this video, we're going to show you how to verify your Facebook Business Manager. Now, verifying your Facebook Business Manager is very important this year because Facebook is getting stricter and stricter, and if you can show Facebook that your business is fully legit, verified and registered as well, then you would have a high chance of not getting into problems. Alright, so let's get started. So as you can see, this current business manager of mine has been verified since September 9 of 2020. You can check out your security center on the left side of your business manager settings, and you will be able to see there the business verification status. Now let's check one of my other business managers that is not yet verified. Okay, so this is one of my business managers which is not yet verified. Again, you will go to Security Center on the left of your business settings of that business manager to see the business verification status. Now, it says here to start verification, but it's currently grayed out. Now, there are some business managers where this button is already enabled, and there are some business managers which, as you can see, mine included, is that it's disabled. Alright, so to enable that, we're gonna be creating a Facebook app, but don't worry, it's not technical. I'll show you how to do it step by step, and there's really not much things that you will be doing to create the Facebook app. First, you have to go to the URL developers.facebook.com. Again, the URL is developers.facebook.com, and this is how it looks like at the time of this recording. Now, this is connected to your personal Facebook account. So if it's not yet logged in, please do log in. And then make sure, again, that you are in developers.facebook.com. Now, click on My Apps on the upper right corner here. As you can see, I already have one app set up there because that was used to enable the start verification button of my first business manager. Now, all you have to do is click Create App here and then select Manage Business Integrations and then click Continue. Alright, create your app display name, and this can be any name. And your app contact email. So make sure that is a correct email address. For the app purpose, you can select yourself or your own business just for verification. And here, do you have a business manager account? It is an optional field, but you will have to connect it to your business manager that you want to verify. So you'll select the business manager that you want to verify here. So click on this drop down and you'll see a list of your business managers. Select the correct one. Once you've selected the correct one, click Create App. Now you'll be asked to do a security check first. Complete the security check and then click Submit. Alright, that's it. That's all you have to do here. Now go back to your business settings and refresh the Security Center page. It will now show the Start Verification button as enabled. So this is now clickable. Let's go ahead and click it. Okay, so you will have to enter your business details here. Now, legal name of business, country, street address, city, state, province, or region, zip or postal code, and your business phone number, and your website as well. So all of those fields are required. Fill them out first, and after that, go ahead and click Next. Now you will verify your legal business name. Okay, so you have to submit documents, and there are only a few acceptable documents to verify your legal business name. You can check the link here for examples, and Facebook has also listed some examples here like your business license, certificate of formation or incorporation, tax or VAT registration certificate. Then select the document language here. It's English for me. And for my business, I only submitted my DTI certificate and my BIR certificate of registration as well. So currently, I am a self-employed online freelancer, and that is my current registration with BIR. For DTI, that was just the business name, but your BIR document must reflect your DTI business name as the trade name so that it will not be rejected. Now, there are other acceptable documents if you're a sole proprietorship business, if you are a partnership, a corporation, or a one-person corporation business. So you can just check all of the documents accepted for legal name verification here in this link. Once you have uploaded your acceptable documents, click Next. Alright, now you'll have to verify your business address or phone number. Upload a document showing the legal name of your business along with the mailing address or phone number you entered. Alright, so documents accepted for address or phone include utility bill like electric or phone, bank statement with address, and business license with address or phone. Now in this part, I only submitted the same DTI certificate and BIR certificate of registration as well, because in the BIR certificate of registration, the DTI business name reflects in the trade name there, as well as my address. So those are the documents that I submitted for verifying my business address or phone number. Once you've uploaded the documents, click Next. Alright, now you will choose a verification method. So choose one where you can be reached, either a business contact email. So this is a domain email. This is not a Gmail, a Yahoo, or whatever public email provider. It should be your website's domain email. An example of that website domain email would be lj@adsintensive.com. Alright, and you can also verify it through your business domain. But let's go ahead and use the contact email. Click Send Email. And Facebook will send you the verification code, so you have to check your inbox. If you don't get it right away, just be patient, keep on refreshing until you see the email from Facebook. So this is what the verification email looks like. You'll see the verification code there, and we'll enter that. Click Submit here. Alright, thank you for submitting your business verification details. We will review your submission and notify you once the review is complete. Now you just have to wait for around 3 to 5 business days, because that's how long it took them to reply or to provide an update in my business verification submission. Just go ahead and check the Security Center page here in your Business Manager business settings. Now, once your Business Manager is verified, it'll look like this. It will say that it's verified on a specific date, and it will also have this green shield icon here. Now, let's go ahead and check Contact Facebook here, because when I applied for Business Manager verification, I attempted 3 times because I did not have the correct and updated documents as well. So I'll go ahead and show you here the first submission. So this is my first submission on August 14, 2020, and this is their reply. We are unable to verify LJ Jose Business Manager as a business based on the documents provided not meeting one or more requirements. Common errors include sending documents that are not accepted for verification, like company invoices, purchase orders, or tax returns. Alright, so my mistake here was that my BIR certificate of registration did not have the updated DTI business name that I registered. So it only had my personal name. So I had to fix that first and get it updated so that the business name in DTI will match the trade name in the BIR certificate of registration. Alright, now here's my second attempt above, and let's go ahead and open this case or request. So my second attempt was on September 3. I submitted the details and the documents as well. And on September 5, as you can see here, okay, they sent me this message that we are unable to verify LJ Jose Business Manager as a business. So we can't verify that your business website is associated with a business ads intensive media business consultancy because the website appears to be under construction or unavailable. Alright, so that's also correct and true. The website that I submitted was fbadsintensive.com, and that was actually just a dummy website. WordPress is installed there, but I haven't really finished setting it up. Okay, so they said to either confirm an email with a different domain that is associated with the business, or confirm the domain using your business phone number, and then please upload additional business documents by a specific date to help us successfully verify your business. Okay, so I did that. I updated actually the website. Okay, so when I submitted for the third time on September 5, 2020, so I submitted the website shop.fbadsintensive.com, and I also verified that domain in advance. Now, if you haven't verified your domain yet in Business Manager, make sure to check out my other video showing you how to do just that. Okay, now I submitted it all again with all of the details correctly and all of the business documents correctly as well. And this is what I sent them. So it says here, business admin replied, but this is actually me. So I also sent them this message because you can communicate here in the support inbox for business verification. So I said, hello, I have already resubmitted for verification. I made a mistake in entering the domain before and have changed it to shop.fbadsintensive.com, and I've added the domain to my domains list in Business Manager. I have also verified the domain via a meta tag on my website. Okay, and then on September 8th, so that's 3 days after, they have successfully verified my business. Okay, and once that is verified, you will check here in security settings again that it's already verified. Alright, and that's how you verify your Facebook Business Manager. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and I'll see you on the next one.